Good evening, guys. Welcome and welcome back to another video. Welcome. I hope you guys had a good day and everything is just okay. Yeah, welcome to today's video. And so in today's video, I'm going to be cooking cabbage and beef stew. Yes, so I am from the market. As you can see, this is my shopping bag. Yes, this is my shopping bag. I'm from the market. So the weather outside is really not good. I bought that. This is what I bought: ringos for my baby boy, and I bought the flour. Yes, I had to buy the cabbage that is sliced for now because I am really tired. Yes, I'm really tired. I don't know, I washed clothes today. I had carried my umbrella. Yes, for just security purpose. So I bought that, and this is our meat. That is our meat. Yes, I also got the tomatoes and the onions. Yeah, so that is all what I bought. So today's video I'm going to be cooking ugali and meat and cabbage. Yeah, so let's wash our meat, because this is what I'm going to mix it with the cabbage. There's going to be a mixture. I'm not going to cook it different. Remember, always when you're cooking meat, you have to make sure you've washed it. Wash your meat, please. Don't cook meat without washing. So that is the water that I'm going to boil with it. Yeah, let's cook it fast, as we want our gas right here. Okay, here we go. So let's wait for it to cook. So when it is cooked, then that's when we are going to mix it with the cabbage. Kindly stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Thank you. Welcome you all to another cooking video. Yes, another cooking video. Like I told all of you that in this channel I'll be sharing with you the simple cooking videos, just as simple recipes, very affordable. Yes, so in today's video we are having meat, combination of meat and cabbage. This is our meat. It's actually hot. I boiled it. Yeah, this is meat. You need the meat because we are having a mixture of cabbage and meat stew in one pot. Yes, if you've never tasted it, then you're missing a lot. Yes, so this is the meat already boiled, and together with the onions, I cut the onions in it, and this is our cabbage here, right? You can see that cabbage already chopped. Yes, and then we have the tomatoes. Of course, it is meat and cabbage stew, so you need the tomatoes. Yes, any spices that you have, you need it, because this is going to be very tasty depending on how you want it to taste. Yes, so right here we have our cooking oil. I just go ahead and put it and get right to the video, to the cooking. No wasting time. Yes, let me on the gas and let's get right to the video. Actually, guys, in case you don't know, in case you are new here, sorry, in case you're new here and you don't know my names, I am Susan. Yes, I am Susan. That is my name. and welcome. I welcome you all, my subscribers, to my channel. You guys are the best ever. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that is if you're my new subs. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We have the salt here, and we have our Royco cube also here. Yes, this is what I'm going to use as we go ahead and fry our meat. Yeah, is it visible? Can you see the meat? Can you see what I'm cooking? I don't know whether it is visible. Yes, let's try that. Don't mind about the whatever, what is happening in the whatever. Hey guys, yes, we are cooking meat. Yes, daddy, kuja maziwa. My son is awake. I want to give him some milk to drink as we are waiting for them. As he's waiting for the food to get ready, I want to warm him some milk to drink. Yeah. This I'm going to get ready with it in just minutes right now, because I am cooking this with ugali. Yeah. I am cooking this with ugali. Ugali is very nice. Yeah, you can also try it out with rice. In case you want to try it out with rice, you can also do it out with rice. Daddy, amka, maziwa imepoa baba. Amka kunywa maziwa. Alafu nilikuwa nimekubaya tamu. So our meat is ready. I normally fry my meat when it is like that, and then I don't know. Yes, you can see how it is brown, right? Then I go ahead and put my cabbage in there. Yes, this is how I cook my way. Yes, and then after that I go ahead and put my tomatoes. That is my tomatoes, and I go ahead and put the Royco cube. I normally use my Royco cube only one. I normally put only one in any stew that I'm cooking, because this will make the food bitter if you put the two of them. If you put 2 or 3, unless you're cooking food for a party or things like that. But if you're just cooking for the family, it's good to put 1, because it has salt also in it. So with like this, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover it like that for just few minutes, and then reduce your heat. Reduce your heat here, so that the saucepan down cannot burn. All right. So meanwhile, as I'm cooking ugali, you can see I've lightened up the gas there for ugali. Let me go ahead and cook ugali first, and we come back and see how it is. And kindly subscribe to the channel. Keep it locked. Most especially like the video, comment the video, so that YouTube can actually notice my videos also. Please, I beg of you, if you come across my video, please kindly like, comment, and share the video to your friend. And don't forget to turn on the bell for more videos. Yeah, if you comment, if you like, then YouTube algorithm can actually notice my videos, and can also bring out my videos to other people who have never seen it. Okay, so that really matters. I love you so much. Please share the videos of your girl, comment. Yes, So let's go ahead and shake our, actually I had switched it a little bit because I was busy. So here it is. Yeah, that is what I wanted. It's coming actually nice. Perfect, just the way I wanted it. So this is it. Our ugali is ready. I don't want it to overburn, no, I don't want it to be burnt. So this is our cabbage and meat. You can see that clearly now. Yeah, this is our cabbage and meat. So this is our cabbage and meat. Yeah, like that. Yeah. That little soup that you're seeing is from the cabbage. You know, there are some cabbages that have water, that are watery. Plus also the onions. But it's nice. Like, very tasty. So that is how I want it. I want it wet like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to switch off my gas because it is already cooked. So we need to test how ugali is. Yeah, I want to test a little bit. Ooh, there we go. Amen. Hey guys, ugali is hot. I have to pull this up first. Okay. My son does not want me to touch what I'm cooking. Is it? Guys, this is very yummy. I just feel like swallowing it once. mm. Mm. Very nice. Tasty. Well, it is hot. So, you can also try this recipe out. Well, it is hot. Yummy. Nice. So, thank you so much for watching. That is all for now. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your bell for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.